Hi everybody, it's Friday. It's really late. It's 10:30. Um it's Thanksgiving-ish. We're in Nebraska. Favorite writing utensil is a pen. Didn't want to forget that. Um yeah, just kind of chilling in the hallway in a couch daily. I hope you can hear me. I don't want to be too loud because these always echo epically. Um so yeah, I've been spending time with my quote unquote grandparents. They were my dad's friend in the Air Force, and we've known them my entire life, so we spent our Thanksgiving with them. I spent a couple hours with one of my best friends from fourth grade. Haven't seen her in over 8 years. Her name's Ashley. We had a really fun time. We also visited my old house, which was also really cool because being my house is still there. The road next to it isn't. One of the badass parts isn't, but the house is. Um, Hopefully did a little Black Friday shopping, got a micro-fleece blanket, also got the book called Bait by Alex Sanchez, but I don't know, I got that because it's for Christmas. I'm gonna ramble a little bit longer so I meet my time limit. I don't feel like splicing. This is gonna directly upload to YouTube. Sorry for the sound quality, and sorry for the late upload, but I'm on time still, so hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday. Eric. Yeah, Eric's Monday. Let's see if I can do this, guys. Monday is Eric. Tuesday is Kimber. Wednesday is Hannah. Thursday is Danielle. Friday is me. Boom, that right there. I do know the days of the week that you guys are. I just don't try. There's voices, I'm sure you can hear them. I'm gonna stop filming at night.